I'm an eldest daughter, so I pride myself on being very prepared for vacations or traveling in general. I'm in Milos, which is an island in Greece, and the best way to get around is driving. So I walk up to the car rental place, I give them my driver's license. She takes a look and says, "Your driver's license is expired."
And that's how you end up on a boat, because an eldest daughter will always figure it out. The moment it started moving, I got seasick for the first time in my life. Apparently, it can happen when you get older, which was very humbling. Aside from that, I actually preferred this to driving because I could just turn my brain off. The real travel luxury. The boat tour took care of everything so we could take naps. So instead of blaming myself for not checking my driver's license, I'm taking this as a sign from the universe to just chill out.